What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do the gaming review of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. And you know the specifications of this device. It is Snapdragon 626 and it is having 3 gigabytes of RAM. It is not the 4 gigabytes RAM model, and it is having 4000 milliampere battery, and it is 18 by 9 aspect ratio with 403 ppi. So in this video we will be doing a gaming review. You can see we have a set of 5 different games, and 3 of them are casual games, and next up we have 2 heavier games, and we have one application, the CPU Z. Let me just run this application. And in this application you can see we have the level of the battery. It is at 53% right now, and the temperature of the device is 32 Celsius, and outside here is still cold, so that's why the temperature is not very much high. Usually it goes up to 45 and 46 when you are playing games in such devices, but let's see what happens in this gameplay, whether it goes to that level or not. So let's start with our first game, which is the Temple Run 2, and we will be playing 3 casual games first, and then we will check out the battery level and the temperature of the device, and after that we will move to the 2 of the heavier games which we have. So let us start with the Temple Run 2 and let this gameplays finish, and after that we will be analyzing the data. The game has just started, you can see, and right now it is going great. Actually it is a casual game, so it will not tell us about the core performance of the device and other features like that. So we are not expecting something very great from these games. These are just to show you that how these games are playing on this device. So you can see right now we are playing the Temple Run 2, and we have just started the game again, and the frame rate, everything is going good. There is no lag, everything is just smooth. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will be analyzing the data which we have. So let us just finish the Temple Run 2 now and move to the next game, which we have the color switch. And let's play this game for a minute or two, and after that we will move to the pinout, and after playing the pinout we will be analyzing the data, which is the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. So you can see right now I am trying to play this game. Actually this is the inverted stage, that's why it's getting a bit tougher for me. So let's play it with concentration, and yes. So that's it for this game. Now let's move to the pinout and test out this game too. This is one of my favorite games which I usually play, and let's start this game. And you can see You can see right now the CPU Z is showing the battery level to be at 51%. We started with 53%, I think, and the temperature is still at 32 Celsius, which is great to note. We have almost played for almost 5 to 6 minutes, and the temperature of the device has not changed. The back of the device is still cold. Maybe the factor is the coldness out here. Weather is cold outside here, that's why it is happening. Let's move to some heavier games. We have the Asphalt 8 and the Mortal Kombat 2, and first we will play the Asphalt 8 and check out the CPU Z. Then we will play Modern Combat 5 and also check out the CPU Z for that. So let's start the Asphalt 8. So right away I can see that while playing this game, as I am starting this game, there is some kind of lag there. You can see clearly it is just taking some time to bring the next page. You can see I have pressed this button and it is still taking the time to bring this next page. And let's start the race and let's see how it will perform while playing the game. So the game is just about to start. It will be very interesting to see the performance of this game on this device. So start is actually very good. I did not notice any kind of lag. Everything is just smooth in the beginning. So let's see if this device can keep it like that. So you can see right now there is no lag. The frame rate is just awesome. Everything is going great. So let me just play this game and analyze the things. One thing I am noticing is that the graphics are not that great, as it will be expected by this device, but everything else is just smooth and perfect and fine. There is no lag. Everything is just going great. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will check out the battery level and the temperature of the device. So this gameplay has also ended. Now let's go to the CPU Z, and you can see the battery level has dropped to 50%, and there is only 0.7 Celsius increase in the temperature, which is not that great, and even it is not noticeable. And the back of the device is still very cold, and it is not showing any kind of heatness on the physical body of the device, which is just great to know. So they have kept everything great. The software is just doing great to keep the things going great. So let's move to our final game, which is the Modern Combat 5, and let's see how this game will perform onto this device. And one more thing which I just want to tell you at the end of this gameplay, that the sound quality is very great. It is a very great speaker used in this device. So you can also feel that the sound is coming great out of this device. So let us now play this game and finish this gameplay too.
Here, Ruth Harmi to give this to you, so she can contact you.
Thanks.
So that's it guys, this gameplay has also ended, and let's go to the CPU Z, and you can see the battery level has dropped to 49% and the temperature has actually come back close to the 32, and back of the device is still very cold. There is no sign of heatness on the outside of the device, which is very great to see, and it has been almost more than 15 minutes while playing the games on this device. It has been a great experience playing games, and everything was just fine and perfect. The Modern Combat 5 was just up to the mark on this device, although Asphalt 8 has just lagged while loading the game. So that's it guys, this was the gameplay of this device, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.